Disaster aid and relief. The logistics of emergency response are often muddled by physical factors. It's never easy to search for survivors in cases like flooding, wildfires, or nuclear fallout, particularly because these types of emergency situations require aid workers to put their own lives at risk. Adoption of drone technology could be a step towards putting that behind us. Drones can be built to withstand extreme temperatures and radiation. Plus, aerial cameras can provide better perspectives when searching for victims in areas of low visibility or lots of debris. Moreover, drones can be commissioned to deliver medicine, vaccines, and care packages to people from a distance. Natural science and research. The chief advantage of drones is their maneuverability. They can be built small enough to make space a non-issue, allowing them the ability to fly through tight locations that might otherwise be out of reach for humans. Attach a camera to one of these drones and suddenly we're able to capture moments and scenarios that we've never seen before. Wildlife documentarians are known to chase specific animals for months on end for the opportunity to catch amazing shots like the one above. Drones are also useful for monitoring environmental details that are beyond our reach. Journalism and photography. Last year, the University of Missouri Journalism School began teaching students how to pilot and operate drones for information gathering purposes. Potential applications for this include crime scenes, natural disasters, and other hard-to-film events. Advertisements and deliveries. When Amazon announced plans to develop package delivering drones last year, people went nuts. We asked our readers how they would react if they saw a drone hovering over their property, and most replied by saying they'd shoot it down. Perhaps the world isn't ready for drone deliveries just yet, but the shipping industry is just one of many industries that could see boosts in efficiency as drones become more widely adopted. Imagine a world where you could order an item online and have it delivered to your door in under 30 minutes. Drone racing and fighting. Drones also have entertainment value. Their destructive properties can be channeled in such a way that allows humans to compete in combat without directly harming one another. Some groups have already started looking to drone combat as a sporting event. However, if this idea continues down the road for another decade or two, who knows what might come out of it.